Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here. Can you believe that Labor Day weekend went flying past us? It felt just like yesterday. We were able to finally get on the beaches and onto the rides. Now I know this summer really wasn't the summer that we always know, but hey, we still had a fun time. Now if you were unable to make it down for Labor Day weekend, I went ahead and filmed some of the events and things that took place. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. And just like that, summer is over. Now, actually, technically speaking, we still have a few more weeks of summer and Indian summer where it's still really warm out during the day and a little cooler off at night. There are tons of plans for events in the fall. Make sure you go ahead and check out the wildwoodsnj.com for any events. Some of them have been canceled and pushed back, like Irish Weekend, but there's still some October events that are still on the books. And as long as COVID-19 is trending down, those events should be taking place. Now, I want to go ahead personally. I want to thank you guys for joining me throughout this entire summer. We've heard from thousands of families, heard some of your amazing vacation stories. Every single year, you guys come down here, generation after generation, and make a ton of beautiful memories. And thank you so much for sharing them with us and letting us share them with the entire world. Here on our YouTube page and on Facebook, we reach millions of people every single year. And to know that we make so many people smile, not just in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, but around the world, in Canada, or even in Europe. We hear people call and message us from Europe wishing that they made it down here. Just knowing that coming down here and doing what we do at social media down here in Wildwood, that makes you guys smile, that makes us smile. We really do enjoy doing it for you guys. Thank you so much once again for joining me. We still are going to put on so many events and videos for you guys on this YouTube channel or on the Wildwood Video Archive. So make sure you're stay tuned and that you are subscribed. I try to put up a new video every 2 or 3 days, and make sure you are subscribed and turn on notifications. We're trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by, we're going to say 2021, so January 1st. But thank you guys for joining me. I'm Joey. You guys stay safe. And as always, I'll see you guys on the beach. See you later. Bye.
Let's look to see what we're going to do. I heard you. I realized